sun's shining, birds are cawing, a man wearing a strange cloak, and... Well, I guess I should have warned them. Sir, I don't think you're supposed... Oh, that is very strange. Oh, huh? Wait, what happened to the... Oh, this just means nothing. How dare you? You're telling me you litter on the ground? Kind of, but also, why did the bench rot? That's not important. The important thing is that you're gonna die today, so come with me. Actually, I think you should be going. Well, buddy, guess what? You're coming with me instead, so don't even try walking away. Well, in that case, look! It's Itzae Hernandez, Guiterrez! Wait, what? I don't even see Itzae. You got to be joking. Well, too bad, so... Hey, look behind you! Trust me, I'm not gonna fall. God, this woman's gonna be looking all over for me. At least I just have to hide somewhere until she leaves me alone. Yeah, you're right. She'll never find you. Yeah, you're right. Ooh. Whoa. Man, what do I do? She's just gonna keep finding me. I gotta think of something. Well, thank you a lot, brain. Alright, I get it. You do not want to be part of my soul collection, but this is just for my boss, alright? Hey, what's up? Oh yeah, right, like I'm actually gonna fall for this again. Well, you already have. Wait, what? Ugh, what are you gonna do with that? You can't even kill me, I'm already dead. Give me a throat. What is this man doing? Summon bear. Well, see you later, little bony whatever your name is. Wait, don't leave me! Oh, I can't even get up. Do you think she knows how to play dead? Whoa! Wait, the fish is still inside? No! Please let me in! No. This was a bust. I guess I gotta go tell my boss the bad news. Hey, what do you want? I'm just asking you, can I go with you? Wait, what? Can I go with you? Oh, hell no. But I thought you wanted me to come with you. It's alright, since at this point, the papers don't even matter. Do you really think a single piece of paper will stop us from being together? Oh my god, why? Wait, is that Itzae Hernandez Guiterrez? Nice try. Anyways, here's a trout and also summon bear. Not again. Huh? Wait, no. So how did you even end up like that? It's a long story.